Bishop Kulik is working on a plan that forms young disciples in new and creative ways. Here's Cliff Gorski.
Rather than accepting the declining participation in the church, Bishop Kulik is seeking support in finding new ways of forming disciples that will respond to the needs of our people.
The theme of our 2024 Diocesan Lenten Appeal is receive and share. The final words of the priest or the deacon or the bishop at Mass is to go forth and to proclaim the gospel. It is given to us specifically so that we can share it.
My name is Vincent Riley, and I'm the Managing Director of Faith, Family, and Discipleship for the Diocese of Greensburg. And your contribution to the Diocesan Lenten Appeal can transform experiences for our youth and families throughout the diocese. As we see the numbers of youth disaffiliating with the church, our diocese is being proactive in trying to reach out to all families through a comprehensive faith formation program throughout the diocese. Our goal is to have faith formation leaders and youth ministers representing all 78 parishes throughout the diocese by 2026. The ways that our youth learn today is much different than when we were growing up. Our goal is to provide experiential catechesis in which we help all of our youth establish a personal relationship with Jesus Christ through fun and engaging activities in every parish of our diocese. We are excited to provide a vibrant presence in all of the parishes of our diocese. Through our analysis of the programs being offered around the country, we realize that this is truly a groundbreaking opportunity for the Diocese of Greensburg to begin to reach our youth in new ways. The formation of our youth is important because, as we heard in the story of the loaves and fish, a young man is the one who brings Jesus the loaves and fish, and Jesus is able to multiply them and share to feed the 5,000. It's truly through the work of our youth faith formation programs that we are able to reach all of our families, all ages, in order to grow in discipleship throughout the diocese.
Moving forward, the plan will make ongoing faith formation more available, attractive, and effective for all Catholics.